I've been doing this work most of my life. I've been putting tile in house here right now. I've done lots of remodeling. I grew up doing this stuff. This is what my dad did. And I'm 52 and I'm done. I think I'm pretty done. I've worked hard like you have probably, like we all have. I worked hard my whole life. I got up at 5 every morning, worked long hours, didn't get home till late, and went to bed late, and then get up and do it all over again. I spent the last 3 weeks working pretty much 7 days a week. I take a little time out on Sunday, actually go to church, but otherwise I just work. I work all the time. It's good. It's rewarding doing this kind of work. I put in all these kitchen cabinets and I laid all this tile in here. It's cool, right? And it's a good process, and I can see what I'd made in the end. But it's such a race. It's such a rat race. I feel like I'm not getting anywhere. I live in a small community, so it's not like I got just jobs pouring into me all the time. My dad lived here. I lived here my whole life. My dad lived here his whole life. My grandmother did. And my dad was a contractor, worked his entire life, and it was very successful in what he did, but it was also really small for the most of his time as a contractor. He only had 3 or 5 guys for the majority of his time. And I worked with him since I was in middle school on. Kind of had to work. It was sort of forced labor a little bit, but learned a lot. But I feel like it's such a race, a rat race, that all I'm doing is working all the time to try to keep up and try to keep the bills paid and, help out my family. And my parents, both of them are now gone. They passed. My mom in 2017 and my dad in 2021. My dad worked all the way up until less than 1 year before he passed away. He died at 83 and he was still working at 82. And at 52, which I am right now, in fact, I'm getting close to being 53 in a couple more months, I can see that's my own future. Am I going to do that same thing, keep working like he did all the way up until I just die, right? And then maybe I figure out a way to retire. But then what do? You just go and you don't know what to do, and then you die faster, right? My dad's generations most of them are gone. I see it all the time. They're just all passing away. And I've been working really hard for a long time just to be healthy. That's been a big motivating factor for me, just to be healthy, and hopefully I'll live a little bit longer. But my dad he couldn't lift one arm above like this high for the last, 20 years of his life because he had fallen off a ladder so many times, broke his collarbone multiple times. He broke his neck. He fell off of a roof, single story, landed on concrete, broke his neck. He was incapacitated for months, and then it was really slow for him to even come back after that. And that was when I was in college. I actually come back and took over the company because he couldn't run it anymore, and he had employees that he had to pay, and people whose livelihood depended on him doing work. So I quit college and came home and started doing construction, and I mean, it can be fantastic, and in a good large community you can make a lot of money doing it. But is it really all about making all the money? I just want to be comfortable. Right? I just want to don't worry about the bills. I want to have money sitting in my account and not have to worry about going out and getting another job or finding more work or whatever, just to make sure that I've got everything I need and I can pay everything. And it hasn't been that way. And there's been times when, hate to say it, that was years and years and years ago, but we had our first vehicle repossessed. And that's the worst feeling ever. And that's just because I wasn't working enough. And then I'm like, I got to work more. And I'm just working. And I found that I've just been working my life away. This job here, the whole house is getting remodeled, and I used to do all these big remodels, but I'm like, I don't want the stress of doing it. I have to have employees, and they don't show up, and so somebody else is doing the remodeling work, and all I'm doing is kitchen and bathroom and a shower, and I'm just doing basically tile work and some kitchen, a little bit of electrical stuff. And I'm just going on about it. I'm just letting these other guys deal with it. I'm like, for example, one of the guys that's working here, just 2 weeks ago, he got stopped for speeding or was with somebody else speeding. Then turns out that he had a warrant, and then he got put in jail. And so like the guy that's running the remodel here, he's short one guy now because he's got a guy in jail because he had a warrant for whatever reason in the past. But that's what you got to deal with in this industry, especially when you're in a small community. You just don't have many people to choose from. And, they can be good guys and they can be not so good guys. But anyways, I think the title of this video is I'm 52 and I'm done. And I really am. I'm just, today's December 25th, or 6th, excuse me. Yesterday was Christmas. So I'm here working the day after Christmas, which is fine. And, but got to thinking a lot yesterday about what am I doing? I know what I can do. I mean, I'm sitting here talking to a camera and I'm talking to you all. And, it's just weird for somebody who's done construction his whole life. But I feel more comfortable just talking to a camera than I do banging in hours, cutting tile and floodlights on so I can work up into the night. And I'm not getting anywhere. I don't know if maybe you guys feel the same way. Maybe you're not getting anywhere either. Maybe you feel like you're in a dead end loop. I used to bash on a lot of our really young generation, which I have 2 kids that are in that younger generation. I'm like, they have no work ethic. They bounce back and forth from job to job. They just barely do what they need to. They're always on the edge of getting fired. And I'm like, what's their work ethic? Or where's their work ethic? I can't talk. Where's their work ethic? But you know what? Do they have it better figured out than we do? I mean, I'm a Gen X, right? And I'm in that group of people that our parents didn't really care what we were doing, right? You've all seen it. It's so true. You watch these videos and they're talking about, oh, my parents just said be home by dark, and if it wasn't dark, well, at least be home not long after dark. Had no idea what we were doing. I'm out there. I'd come home from school. We're talking middle school. I'm probably 10 years old. I don't know. I come home from school, go in my closet, get my .22 rifle out, go head out the door. I'd be gone all the rest of the day, all night, not all night, until late. I'm out there with a rifle shooting rabbits and squirrels and anything I can find to shoot on our acreage in the middle of it's already dark and I'm finally getting home like, well, I can't see to shoot anymore. So yeah, it is so true when you see these videos about how our generation, our parents just like, oh, just do it. Hopefully you don't die, but come back at some point. But anyways, I don't know, maybe that's because it was that generation. We just had to figure out stuff on our own. And because we just had to figure it out, we still just today are just figuring it out. Like we just figured it out, right? I do this construction and when things are slow, I go and buy stuff from auctions and I sell stuff on eBay and I sell stuff on Marketplace. And sometimes I think, well, I need to do nothing but that. But then there's times when I don't get any good deals and money stops coming in. And I'm like, oh, shoot, I need some real work again. And I guess I'm back to doing construction again. So what am I going to do? I don't know. I mean, I have to figure this out. I mean, lots of people are out there. I see more and more people my age getting on YouTube, doing video, being tubers. I don't know. That's crazy, but they make good money. Have you considered that? Is this something that am I the only one that's actually thinking this is a valid path? Here I am, a 52-year-old construction worker, and I'm thinking about being a YouTuber. I've done some stuff. I've made some videos. I'm really into health and fitness, and I do a lot of rucking. I carry a weighted backpack, and I started this channel here not long ago just talking about rucking and going and hiking and trying to be healthier as a 52-year-old. And I think that's where I'm at. I think I'm done. I think I'm done with this stuff. Obviously, I'm not leaving. I got a job to finish. I got a couple more weeks of work to do. But maybe if I just don't take another job, I'll be forced to just, I don't know. Is that right? Is that what you guys would think too? I don't know. Tell me what you think. Yeah. So I need to get back to work and do some more tile here. I don't love it, but hey, well, yeah, see y'all later.